A CT scan is an X-ray procedure that creates cross-sectional images with the help of computer processing. CT images are more detailed than conventional X-ray images and can reveal bones as well as soft tissue and organs. A conventional X-ray uses a fixed tube that sends X-rays in only one direction, while a CT scanner uses a motorized X-ray source that shoots narrow beams of X-rays as it rotates around the patient. There are special digital X-ray detectors located directly opposite the X-ray source. As the X-ray passes through the patient, they are picked up by the detectors and transmitted to a computer. Image slices can either be displayed individually in two-dimensional form or stacked together to generate a three-dimensional image that can reveal abnormal structures or help the physician plan and monitor treatments.